What is Onpassive? Onpassive is a shining star. Onpassive is a new life. Onpassive is a big dream. Onpassive is a new morning. Onpassive is a bright future. Onpassive is just love. Onpassive is a big heart. Onpassive is God's blessing. Onpassive is a holy mind. Onpassive is a beautiful world. Onpassive is the guide to the beautiful path. Onpassive is a lot of new hope. Onpassive is a little more patience. Onpassive is the given truth. Onpassive is a new evolution. Onpassive creation of a new era. Onpassive a new history. Onpassive a new revolution. Onpassive is to walk together. Onpassive is the new artificial intelligence. Onpassive is a corruption-free social media. Onpassive is Catmo. Onpassive has our great CEO Mr. Ashmu Fair. Join the mega event right here and see for yourself 30th of March 10 a.m. EDT.